What's going on, everybody? Cack and Balls here again with another unboxing video. Alright, so we're going to open up a small item this time. And I found this on eBay, none other than eBay. And if you remember of eBay and you got an email in regards to charging tax on things that you buy outside of the state that you live in. Like, let's say that if you buy something from me, I live in Illinois, and you live in Texas. They're making it now, or they're trying to change it so that you, if you buy from me, you have to pay taxes on this item, even though we don't live in the same state. So there's a petition going around. You should probably look into it and sign it. Obviously, it's not that big of a deal to like buying like small things and stuff like that. But when you're buying a lot of stuff like I buy, blah, 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 off of eBay, that stuff that tax adds up pretty quick. And you're not, you've already paid tax on the item whenever you bought it brand new. There really shouldn't be a reason to end up having to pay taxes on something that you've already paid taxes on. It's kind of like buying a car. Whenever you buy a car brand new, somebody's already paid the taxes on that car. So if you sell it 5 times after that, that means that those 5 people have paid taxes of some kind on that car. Anyway, back to the unboxing video. So found this on eBay. I don't think the guy knew exactly what it is that he had. So he had it listed for like 25 bucks. I went ahead and made an offer of 20 on it, and he accepted it. So I don't have one of these yet, so I'm interested to kind of see what exactly one of these is and all that fun stuff. And basically it's a Rockford Fosgate 2300 series 1 amplifier. So a guy wrote down $25 free shipping, no cables. Basically this amplifier I do not have. I've never used one. I probably, if this one works, I'll probably end up using it on my test bench to try subs out with. To give you an idea, there's my hand. It fits in the palm of your hand. So you're looking at RMS power. They're rated at, let me bring this in and we will zoom in on this right here. 2 by 30 watts into 2 ohms, and then 2 by 45 watts into 2 ohms dynamic. I've actually heard that these amplifiers do rated power. So there's not like, oh, this amplifier is going to run 500 watts bridged or anything like that. So I don't know. I see this warranty seal here. I don't see the other part of it, but it doesn't appear to be in too bad a shape, I guess, for as old as it is. But like I said, I might use this to end up using on my test bench to test some speakers out with. So, but yeah, not a huge amp. A Rockford Fosgate 2300, made in the USA, Series 1, 2 by 45 watts. That's dynamic power, RMS 2 by 30. We'll go ahead and do some measurements here real quick. If I can find my tape measure right in front of my face. So I'm going to put this down. And lengthwise, we're just going to measure basically from here down to here. So we're going to be looking at 7 7/8 long, 7 7/8 inches long. Widthwise, we're going to go ahead and do the bottom here. You're looking at 5 1/8 inches wide. And then height-wise, we're going to be looking at roughly 1 7/8, give or take, tall. So nice little amplifier. Like I said, I'll probably use it on my test bench. I might clean it up a little bit. I'm not going to repaint it or do anything like that, but I'll go in here, clean all this out with a toothbrush, and go from there. So anyways, like I said, guys, at the beginning of the video, I didn't mean to rant and go on because I don't like it when I watch videos where people are ranting and bitching about stuff, but I thought that was something that was kind of important to me since I'm an eBay buyer and an eBay seller. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or anything, I may make a video hooking this up and testing it. Probably not, but you never know. If you guys want to see it hooked up and tested, let me know. I can also maybe do a gut shot video of it. I don't know how this thing comes apart, but anyway, have a good one, guys and girls.